Hi, namaste, and welcome back. Feeling tight or stiff due to long sitting hours, or you're suffering from back pain? This gentle flow is perfect for you. All you need is a mat. Without any delay, let's start. Lying on the back, keeping your feet hip distance apart with your knees bent. Make sure that your shoulders are resting on the floor. And now bring your attention to your pelvis. We're going to start with some gentle pelvic movements. So go ahead and breathe in here. And as you exhale, I want you to start drawing the lower abdomen in towards the floor. Okay, like this. Yeah, and feel the lower back pressed against the mat here. And then as you breathe out, you can slowly relax. And you can also arch your back a little. Okay, so create some space between the lower back and the floor. Let's go. Breathe in first. And as you breathe out, start drawing the lower abdomen in. I want you to work with the breath today. All these movements are great when you work with the breath. Let's press the lower back into the floor by drawing the abdomen in. And then as we breathe in, we're going to slowly arch the back by relaxing the pelvis. Let's do this another 2 times. So breathe, exhale. Lower abdomen in. You can relax your arms down. And as you breathe in, you can expand the belly as you breathe in. Let's do one more. Breathe out and draw the lower abdomen in. Okay, I want you to pay attention here. So as you draw the lower abdomen in and press the back into the floor, you're going to do some core work here. So you place your palms on your thighs and then we'll gently lift the shoulders off the floor and reach for the knees. Okay, and we're going to hold this and then slowly release. Okay. Once again, breathe, exhale. We draw the lower abdomen in, engage the core here, and we're going to lift the shoulders off and reach for the knees. Hold it for a few seconds till you feel the core and then release. Okay, let's keep going. Breathe in, exhale. And inhaling, release. Breathing out. And down. Let's go one last inhale and exhale. Lift and reach. Feel free to extend the holds longer. You can stimulate the core and come down. Good. Let's bring the right ankle on the left knee and push the knee away from the chest. We're starting to work on opening the hip now. One of the reasons for tight back and discomfort is also tightness in the hip. Now let's interlace the fingers around the left thigh and you pull the knee to the chest. Just breathe in and out here. Release and we can switch sides. Let's bring the left ankle on the right knee and move the knee away. And now we interlace the fingers and pull the knees closer. Release. Drop the feet down and now walk your feet outside the mat. So we keep the feet wider. Arms can be in line with the shoulders or they can rest down. From here, I want you to drop both your knees to the right. Okay. Now, focus on bringing the left knee closer to the floor or the right heel. Don't force. Remember, you need to listen to your body. Push only as much as you're able to. This is where we focus. This region of the hip on the left side. Great. Let's move on the other side. Keep moving the right knee down towards the floor. Breathing normally and mindfully. You can come back to center. Hug your knees. Okay, pull the knees as close as you can and breathe. You could also move side to side. It's like a gentle massage for your back. And then let's come to a sitting position. Come on to the knees. Into an all four position. Knees and hip in line, palm and shoulder in the same line. Okay. Let's go ahead and breathe in and extend the right leg back. I want you to press the tops of your feet. Inhale, and as you exhale, we'll tuck the tailbone and press into your palms. Breathe here. When you're ready, you can lift your right leg off the mat. And bring the knee back. Switching sides. Extend the left leg back. Okay. Notice that the spine is in a neutral position. We are not arching, neither are we rounding here. Okay. And start pressing the top of your left foot. Breathe. Exhale. And you're going to subtly draw the belly in. And hold. When you're ready, you can simply lift the foot off the mat. You don't need to lift it higher. And release. Okay. Let's do a few rounds of cat and cow. This is one of the best postures to do for your back. So you breathe in and arch the back here. And exhale. Draw the belly in and round the back. It works on a complete movement of the spine. Flexion and a full extension. So as you're breathing in, you're pushing the belly down, arching the back to lift the chest. And as you breathe out, rounding the back. Let's finish this. And we're going to lie down on the belly from here. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Okay. Your arms can rest on the floor in front. You could also rest your palms one on top of the other, just to keep the neck in a neutral position. From here, once again, bring the awareness to your pelvis. You're going to push the pelvis down into the mat. Okay. And from here, we're going to lift the right leg off the floor and extend the leg. You point your toes and reach back. You will notice the stretch in your hamstring. Releases any tension in this region of the back. Hold it for a couple of breaths. You will start to feel the sensation in the back. Simply breathe, don't resist. And coming down, let's repeat on the other side. Extend the leg. And you can come down. Great. We're going to work on two variations of Bhujangasana. The first variation is to bring the forearm down. Okay. And you can start with this, and when you feel comfortable, you can move into the next version that we work on. So elbow and shoulder in the same line, you can interlock the fingers. And as you breathe in, you're going to slowly lift the chest up and hold this here. My neck is in a neutral position, completely relaxed. We just breathe in and out here. Keep the awareness at the back. Pay attention to what you feel. A lot of times we ignore what our body is trying to tell us. And because of that, we end up in a lot more pain. Okay. If we just take the time to listen to the body, we might feel a lot better. And you can release. Okay. So you can repeat this maybe a couple of times. Hold it for about 30 seconds, release, and then repeat. Do about 2-3 rounds. And when you're comfortable with this, you can start working on Bhujangasana. Keep your palms in line with the chest. You want to move the shoulders down away from the ears. Okay. And your elbows are turning in. Press into the palms. Remember to push the pelvis down into the floor. This is something we forget. Okay, you could also gently engage the glutes and breathe in and lift. Okay, avoid doing it in this manner. Okay, or like this. So remember, focus on moving the shoulders down, elbows in, and lift. Okay, this is a great way to strengthen your back. And when you breathe out, you can release. Okay. Let's do this one more time. As you breathe in, come on up. And release. Take a couple of seconds. Wait for the breath to settle down. and you can come up when you're ready. Okay. Come to a cross-legged position. Remember to keep the back straight, and if for any reason, if you're hunching your back like this, then you could place a pillow or you could simply roll your mat like this. Elevate yourself and sit up straight. Okay. You're going to place your right palm on the left knee and extend the left arm up. We breathe in here, and as we exhale, we go into a lateral or a side bend. Okay. Working on actively stretching the sides of the body. Okay, and once you come back, let's take a twist on the same side. So you can take your left arm around, sit up straight, breathe, and as you breathe out, go into a twist. Okay, simply moving your chest towards the left. You can look over the shoulder to stretch your neck, or keep it neutral. Release and move to the other side. So left palm on the right knee, your right arm goes up, breathe, and we go into a side bend. And we come back to move into a twist. If you're suffering from chronic back pain, or if you've had any injury, then I would suggest to go a little easy on the twist. You could just do the side bend and lie down on the back. And release. That's about it for today. Thank you for joining me. I hope this really helps you in releasing the pain. Once you finish with the practice, you can lie down on the back, hug your knees to your chest and move side to side, massage the back before you come up and move on. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.